Hello, my name is Sommai Phommachan. I was born in Nasan village, Hongsa district, Sayaburi province. From a child who grew up in a remote area to become a visionary leader in developing Lao reading cultures. In 2010, starting as a second-based student in Sayaburi province in Lao language studies, I continued to pursue my bachelor's degree at the Lao Language and Mass Communication Department, Faculty of Letters, National University of Laos. Currently, I'm studying for master degree in Lao language with a goal to continue doctorate level in literature. Alongside my study, I have been involved as a volunteer in many organizations such as National University Student Volunteer, Vientiane Rescue Volunteer, Youth Association, and other volunteer works. My most outstanding achievement is establishing and developing the book business, starting from selling only 3 online books in 2016. Then expand activity, established bookstore in 2019, until founding publishing house and printing house in 2021. Furthermore, I have made significant contributions to Lao reading culture through organizing the book festival, start from the first reading book festival in 2021, new books celebration in 2022, huge pile of books festival in 2023, and National University Book Festival in 2024. This event has grown each year. In 2025, the National University Book Festival, the theme Reading for Growth, has over 10,000 participants throughout 5 days of events, also celebrating 50 years of Lao PDR development. My core motivation is my love of reading and belief that reading can change people's lives. My own experience at accessing good books has shown me the power of reading in creating change. The desire to contribute to Lao society development through promoting a reading culture is what drives me every day. The lessons I have learned are: first, success takes time. Starting small, gradually expanding step by step. Second, failure is not the end. Learn from obstacles and adapt to move forward. Third, creating opportunity for yourself. Don't wait for others to open the door for you. Final, believe in the value of working for society because true happiness for me comes from helping others. In the future, I intend to expand reading promotion work more widely, especially in 2026 with the upcoming International Book and Culture Festival, and to produce, translate high-quality publications that will inspire and empower readers to pursue their journeys of knowledge and personal growth. Thank you.